How to use email labels to make your emails easier to find. In Gmail, there's a feature called labels. These labels are used to categorize different emails into ways that make sense for you in order to find them later. Let's talk about how to add a label to an email. You can see that we have an email here about a bill. When we open up this email, we have the option to start using the labels by clicking on this icon here. All labels you have available to you will be shown in this list. Now in this case we don't have a label for a bill, so we're going to create a new one. We'll give it the title Bill and we'll click Create. Now notice that in addition to being tagged with the inbox label, this email also has the label for Bill. Now, if we go down to the Bill label here on the left hand side, we'll see all the emails that have been tagged with the Bill label. In this case, there's only one. Let's say that we already have the label and we'd like to use it later. How would we do that? Well, we just open the email like we did before, click the Labels button, and then we simply select the box for the label that we'd like to use. We can also add more than one label at the same time if we like. When we have the labels we want, we'll just click Apply. And as you can see, it accomplishes the same thing as when you create a label and apply it to the email.